Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys my September Boxycharm Premium box, and I just want to show you what is in it. Before we start though, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and for the ones who don't know what Boxycharm is, I'm pretty sure, it's not quite a lot of people who don't know what it is because it's very, very popular. But yeah, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box where you can sign up for. They have 3 different options up there. Option number 1 is the regular Boxycharm box. It comes with like 5, I think. Is it 5? Regular sized makeup products or beauty products, and it's $25. Then the Boxycharm Premium comes with 6 to 8, I think, products in the box, and they're all full sized. Like, no, you don't get those little samples. No, that's a real full sized products from makeup to beauty, like skincare, hair care, like even tools and stuff like brushes, everything. Like, it's different every month. And this Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month. And then they have also, on top of all that, you can sign up for the Boxy Looks. It's every 3 months, and it's, I think, $50 or $55. I don't know, because I don't have that one. But that one comes with double amount, like super lot, like I think 8 to 10 or even more products in the box. The Boxy Looks, I don't know, but yeah, so I have the Boxycharm Premium box. All right, so let's open it up. That's how it comes, the stuff in it. And this month theme is candy shop. Sweet. And so you get different variations of the box, like they have different numbers with what's in it, so not every box is the same. And I got variation number 1, and on this card it says everything that comes in it and the prices, how much it retails for in store. And yeah, let's start it. Okay, so every month, if you get the premium box, you can choose between 3 products. Skincare, makeup, I think, maybe like lipstick, I don't know. It depends on each month. This month, I selected the Kosas. Is it Kosas? Yeah, Kosas Tinted Face Oil in medium. So this one retails for $42. All right, let's see. What's the... Oh yeah, feels super liquid. Ugh. And I'm not a big fan of super liquid stuff, but we'll see. It says tinted face oil. So feels really, really nice and silky. And yeah, it's like sheer cover, but I'm pretty sure you can build up if you just want a little tint on your face. I think that sounds good. Alright, I like it. Tone is good too. Yeah, so when you sign up, you do like a little quiz where you say what's your skin tone, your hair color, your hair type, and if you have like your skin type and stuff. So based on that quiz, they will choose products for you. And till the day, thank God, I had really, really good. I was lucky. I was lucky because they always matched my skin to the products they sent me. Alright, so next in line, I got the Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. And this is also, if you know me, I always use like these earthy tones or berry tones on my lips. So this is another product that I really, really like the color of. And this one retailed for $21. Just a regular lip paint. can never have enough. I tell you, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, next thing I got is a Murad Hydrating Toner. Oh, I like that. I love toners. Especially after you clean your face and then you spray it on, wipe it off, or leave it on there. I love... Let me smell this. Oh, oh, that smells like roses. Oh, I like that. And this one retails for $35. Really nice. I am liking my box so far. Alright, next we got Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. A brow MVP, ultra fine brow pencil and styler. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, and this one retails for $20. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, it comes with a little brush. That's pretty cool. And it's like the brow pencil. Oh yeah, I like that. Awesome. Because even though I got my eyebrows done, like microblade, I still have some little things that I gotta fill in every time I do my makeup. Ooh. That makeup that they sent me, like the Kosas, really smells like oil. Pretty cool. Alright, next we got a go-to exfoliating swipies. These are foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. Smells good, smells like orange. Liking this. And this one retails for $35. Alright, and we got last but not least, let me put this down real quick. We have here a eyeshadow palette from Isabella Bedoya, you know, she's really pretty. And I love her makeup, and she got her own palette now. This is really awesome. Let me unpack it because there's a foil on. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna use my little razor thingy that I got here to open it. Here we go. Alright. Let's see. Oh, I can only imagine. Those colors must be super amazing. Oh, no. What? Oh my god. Look at that. All these pastel colors. Aren't they pretty? Oh my god. This one here. Oh, Jesus. Look at those. Okay. I'm not a big fan of color on my face, but guess what? Time to experiment. I will definitely do something with this. Try it. Oh, I like it. Yeah, that's my Boxycharm this month, and I really like every single product. Like, usually I have one product or something that I really don't like, but guess what? This time, I like them all. I love it. Yeah, hey, $35 for all that. I can tell you that's worth more than $200 all total. And if you wanna, you know, get your makeup stash up, I can recommend you to at least get the $25 a month box, like the regular Boxycharm box, because there's every month amazing products in it. And hey, you can never have enough makeup, right? I know. So yeah, just go ahead, check it out. I'll link the Boxycharm website below. No, I don't have no code, I don't have nothing, but I will just tell you guys, go ahead and try it out. And you can cancel every month. There's nothing like you'd be like stuck for like 3 months or 6 months, 8 months, whatever. No, if you don't like it next month, just cancel it. And oh yeah, that's probably gonna be my last one. No, I'm still gonna get one more box before we leave the States. So It's gonna be hard because I don't know if they ship to APO boxes. Well, we'll see. But yeah, this is my Boxycharm, and I hope you like my video. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel. I will put my little bell down below so you can click on it. So every time I get I do a video, you guys get notified. And yeah, thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, guys, and I see you soon.